This is a question that I get over and over and over again. When can I use the TM symbol? It's actually pretty simple. Stick around to the end and I will tell you the biggest mistake that people make when it comes to using the TM symbol. I'm Maria Spiralis, lawyer for content creators and online brands, and this is the Spear IP Show. So again, the question is, when can you use the TM symbol? And the answer to when you can use the TM symbol is whenever you're using your trademark as a trademark. What the heck does that mean? Well, remember that a trademark is anything connected to your brand. So your brand name, your logo, any slogans or catchphrases that you use, any products that you sell, names of those products, the name of a podcast, the name of a blog or platform, the name of a membership, the name of a course. All of those names are proper when it comes to trademark protection. Now, when I say use the TM symbol when you're using that thing as a brand, what do I mean? I mean that when you're typing up a paragraph describing this thing, you don't have to use the TM symbol every single time you mention it. When would you use it? You would use it on packaging for a product. You would use it on the heading of a website or of a membership site. You would use it on your podcast cover art and the title of your podcast. Those are kind of trademark uses of your trademark. Again, this means that you don't have to use the TM symbol every single time you're talking about this product or this service in paragraph form. So what's the biggest mistake people make when it comes to using the TM symbol? They think that you have to have a registered trademark in order to use it. Nope. You can only use the R in a circle if you have a registered trademark. Yes, that's true. But you can use the TM symbol with any trademark, registered or not. So I hope that helps you to better understand when you can use the TM symbol and how to use it. And I'll see you next time. I want you to head to spear-ip.com/quiz to find out the one legal blind spot that's secretly killing your business. And not only will you learn about that blind spot, but you'll learn how to fix it all by yourself. Again, that's spear-ip.com/quiz.